Hello everyone, today we will learn a new formula in Excel, VSTACK formula. So this formula helps us to combine different tables in a single table, either in vertical form or in horizontal form. Now let us take an example and understand how this formula do so. As you see, I have a table here that has player name, role and price. Now this data is in two different tables, but I want them to combine in a single table. For that we simply need to use VSTACK formula. So is equal to VSTACK. Bracket open. Array here means the data you want to combine. Therefore we will select the entire table 1, and then I'll select the entire table 2. Bracket close and press enter. Now you can see both the tables are combined into a single table. Likewise, if I do equal to HSTACK and select the first table and the second table, bracket close. The result is the same, but it's combined both tables in horizontal format. I hope you like this formula. Let us know in the comments section if you have any doubts, and also which formula would you like to learn next. Thank you.